I hate to say this, but my pants are falling down.
It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Got up this morning.
We have arrived in Aruba. Look at this beautiful port sailing into today. All right, we are at Eagle Beach. This is one of the most second-rated beaches, apparently, what, in the world or in the Caribbean?
Yeah, I know. So it's number 2?
All right, this is the best way to get to Eagle Beach. When you get off the cruise ship, you walk straight out. You take the path, the main path out through the gates, and you're going to look for Diamonds International. That's where the bus stops. It's $2.50 a person one way, $5 round trip per person. So this is the exit of the cruise terminal. Exit to downtown. Go through here. And you'll see some shops through this gate here. But we're heading to the bus station. Make sure you watch my video. We got a full tour of Aruba you're not going to want to miss. Cuckoo, Kanuku. Get on one of these in Aruba. And make sure you're finding the blue donkey. There's the I Love Aruba sign right by the ships. Right in to the mall. That is crazy. But let me tell you, look at this view we got right here. There's a plane coming in. That's a fish sandwich. And what you get, hon?
Cheese and pesto sandwich.
This trip is just about how to get to the best beach in the Caribbean. Just walk through this market area. Shop if you want. But we're looking for Diamonds International. That's where the bus stop is. That's where you get your bus tickets. So literally, once you go through that gate, it's only a couple minute walk to the bus terminal. And I think it's back here. All right, follow the train track. You can see the buses right here. And apparently this is where you buy your tickets to get the round trip to Eagle Beach. So there's where we came with the train tracks. Back in here, I guess is where you get your ticket. So if you found these buses, you found where you purchase your tickets. It's this little window over here. You can see it's cash only. Make sure you got even correct change. I had trouble getting change, but that's where you get your ticket. See, that's a Diamond International. There's Pandora, but if you split right around from Pandora, this little alley is a quicker way to get here. And this is where you meet. Lanes 1 or 2 taking you to Eagle Beach. And right there's the pay window. Oh. All right, we're on the bus. This thing's bumpy as anything. We're going to Eagle Beach, honey.
Now.
One of the best beaches in Aruba. Let's just get there because I can't wait to get into the damn water. It's hot in Aruba. All right, if you see that little yellow condo or hotel, that's where the bus drops you off for Eagle Beach. We are here. I need to put this thing down, and then I'm going to give you a complete tour of this beach and show you up and down. Right now, I need to get wet. All right, we finally made it to Eagle Beach, and we're just going to take you a stroll up here. Again, this is just a short video, but I want to show you one of the most rated 2 beaches, I guess they said, in the world. Now, one thing this beach has, it looks like they have some rentals. I don't know. It looks like they put them away already, but these little umbrellas are really first come, first serve. So get here early if you're coming in on a cruise ship and you want one of them free umbrellas. So I'm almost to the end of Eagle Beach. You can see they got a lot more of these umbrellas. Walk up to the right if you want more opportunities to get one of these, but that's it. That's Eagle Beach.
Some people say that this beach is rated number 2 in the world.
I don't know. What do you think? Can you name better beaches?
Yes.
What?
Gold Rock Beach.
Gold Rock Beach in the Bahamas is amazing.
Yes.
Now this is Gold Rock Beach. You're at our famous beach, honey.
My favorite beach.
I'll do a 360 here while the sun's coming out.
In the water. Gold Rock Beach. So beautiful.
Yes,
My
it
favorite
is.
spot.
This is what Gold Rock is about. The sandbars. And I love
Bermuda.
Horseshoe Bay in Bermuda.
Yeah.
Make sure you're watching that video because we were just there like 3 weeks ago. We have full tours of Gold Rock Beach in the Grand Bahamas, as well as Horseshoe Bay, and a special trail that goes along the coast in Bermuda that is a must-see. The cliff views are amazing.
That is, I think, probably up there. Maybe number 1 or number 2 for us.
I think so too. Hi, little guys. You enjoying Eagle Beach? We're waiting for the sun to go down because they say also Eagle Beach is the best place to see the sunset. There's my wife taking videos for her friends, her new friends. It's starting to go down. I don't know how much longer we got, maybe 30 minutes. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe, and
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at along.for.the.journey.
I hate to say this, but my pants are falling down. That's a wrap. I can't show you there. See you, Eagle Beach. Oh, wait, we want to see the sunset, hopefully. Check out the sunset after we got back to the cruise port on the bus. Of course, I missed it because it's just spectacular. I'll be back, Aruba. You know it. And thank you, Aruba, for your hospitality. It truly is one big happy island.